Hello, my name is Candace and I am your instructional support technician for Biology 131. And today I'm going to be telling you about how to set up your greenhouse experiment. So the greenhouse experiment is designed to test how density affects plant growth. So within your group, you're going to set up 9 pots, and 3 of them are going to be radishes. 3 of them are going to be planted with lima beans, and 3 of them will be planted with sunflowers. And for the levels of density, ultimately the low density will have 2 plants per pot, the medium density will have 5 plants per pot, and the high density will have 10 plants per pot. However, when we're setting this up, we want to make sure we have sufficient germination of seeds. Not every seed we plant is going to germinate, so in order to make sure we have enough for our experiment, we're going to start off with 5 for the low, 10 for the medium, and 15 for the high density treatments. And then in a couple weeks after they germinate, we'll come back and trim them so they are 2, 5, and 10. All right, so now that we're at the greenhouse, we're going to gather our materials. We're going to have a tray to keep all of our pots on. We're going to gather 9 4-inch pots and sticks to label the pots and a Sharpie so you can write down what is in each pot that you started with. And then I find it easier to gather seeds in these little cups, so that makes it easier to count. So I have my lima bean seeds, sunflower seeds, just like the snack, and radish seeds. They're smaller, they're little and red. So let's get started filling up our pots with soil. So I'm going to fill up each of my pots with soil. Doesn't have to be completely full, but you want it to be most of the way full. Okay, time to plant. I like to use a pencil eraser to poke holes where I'm going to put the seeds in. So remember, for the low density, we're starting with 5 plants per pot. So I'm going to start with 5 beans. Put them in. And then I'm just going to cover them lightly with soil. And here I have my sticks that are labeled. So I've labeled the density, the type of plant, and then also put my section number and my group number so I can find the plants later. So put that in there, cover it up, and on to the next one. And now that all the seeds are planted, you're going to want to give them a very gentle watering. We don't want to wash the seeds away or blast the soil, so we're going to give a very gentle watering to get them started with their germination. And you can place them on the table, pick up all your other materials and put them back on the bench. And there you go, your experiment has started.